live on the edge, driven by the success mantra, more risk, more gain. The motto is to leave the world behind, and the goal is to reach the top, often alone. Yet, there's still one place where we all seek security for ourselves and for our loved ones, and that place is home. It's where peace and tranquility take precedence. Finding such a place may be difficult, but it's not impossible. Today, we are going to review one such place, or should I call project, that might just catch your eye.
Hello and welcome to MBTV, your go-to channel for best insights on real estate. Today, we are bringing you the project review of Casagrand Vivacity, located in the bustling hub of Electronic City.
Casagrand Vivacity consists of 717 units distributed across 2 towers. The project offers 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK configurations along with penthouses with carpet areas ranging from 786 to 2,342 square feet. Ready for possession by April 2027, it provides prospective buyers the opportunity to secure homes in a well-planned community. This project is spread across 10.52 acres and features 100% vastu-compliant homes divided into 2 towers. The project offers a range of amenities including a 43,000 square feet clubhouse equipped with indoor facilities such as foosball, air hockey and a swimming pool. Additionally, residents will benefit from indoor amenities like a multipurpose hall, salon, ATM and clinic, as well as outdoor facilities including a yoga and meditation lawn and an amphitheater. The project also includes a basement car parking facility with a vehicle-free zone, ensuring a safer environment for children and senior citizens. Additionally, the community features 7 acres of open space, providing ample room for recreation and leisure. Now, coming to the units offered, the project includes 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments along with 4 BHK penthouses, all within a B plus G plus 9 structure. Among these, the 3 BHK apartments offer a carpet area of 1,129 square feet, featuring a spacious living and dining area, 2 balconies and 3 washrooms serving the 3 bedrooms.
The cost of these apartments ranges from 73 lakhs to 2.07 crores. Please note that the real estate prices are subject to change, so it is advisable to verify the current pricing with the developer before making any decisions.
In Electronic City, a 2 BHK apartment starts from 62.1 lakhs, while 3 BHK units are available at an average price of 95.2 lakhs. The average price for a 4 BHK apartment is approximately 1.71 crores. The current average price per square foot in this locality is 6,142 according to data of Magic Bricks. With this pricing, we can compare Casagrand Vivacity with Shriram Sapphire, where the price for 2 BHK apartments start from 74.1 lakhs. As you can see on your screens, Casagrand Vivacity offers more competitive pricing, making it an attractive option for buyers in Electronic City.
Electronic City is a well-established locality known for its vital role in the tech industry. Home to numerous IT parks and tech companies, it serves as a central hub for both professionals and entrepreneurs. So let's take a closer look at the social infrastructure and connectivity of this dynamic area.
The locality offers excellent connectivity via Hosur Road, the Electronic City flyover, Nice Ring Road and Hela Alige railway station, ensuring easy access to various parts of Bangalore. It is one of the busiest places in South Bengaluru. Many key tech parks present here are Wipro Technologies Campus, Infosys Campus, Salarpuria Infozone, Cyber Park, Tech Mahindra, TCS Think Campus and Gold Hill Supreme Park. The area around the project site is well served by reputed educational institutions such as Sri Chaitanya School, St. Francis Day Public School and PES University. In terms of healthcare, residents can have easy access to prominent facilities like Narayana Health City, Kaveri Hospital, and E-City Hospital, all located within a convenient distance. Let us now acquaint ourselves with the developer. Casagrand Private Limited is a Chennai-based real estate company founded in 2004, focused on developing residential properties. To date, the company has developed over 20 million square feet and completed more than 100 projects, serving a diverse customer base of over 17,000. Casagrand specializes in residential segments including luxury villas and plotted developments in Chennai, Bangalore, and Coimbatore. The company currently has projects in the pipeline valued at approximately 6,500 crores in the luxury villa category across these regions. An ISO certified organization, Casagrand is managed by a young team and is actively pursuing growth and expansion plans throughout South India.
So this concludes the project review of Casagrand Vivacity. As always, we recommend you to conduct a thorough research before investing in any of these projects. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to MBTV. This is me, Tanu Sardana, signing off with camera person Tarak. We shall see you in the next video very soon.